live is July 16, 2024. I'm going to check for gaps on the daily. No gaps there. Okay. On the 4 hour, we have a pre-market after hour gap fill, gap 2 fill. Just because we have a gap, you still have to mark out your levels in between the gap, because the gap could bounce at any moment. Let's see, we have in this area, what's halfway? 250.60. I'll do 250.60. You make sure there's nothing else. There's nothing else. Okay, 250.60. It's $1 apart both ways, close to $1 this way. It's in the 4 hour. Let's see. This. I like the reaction. Now we can't break and hold below. Can't break and hold below right there. Let's see. Can't break and hold above. Nice reactions to this level. Like the reactions here. Can't break and hold below. Reaction here, can't break and hold below. Let's see. Let's go to 9:40, 1 minute. So right here, I'm probably praying that it doesn't go straight through. Get a bounce, nice H to the first level. Let's see the follow through. Hit the first target, rejecting off the gap start now. Coming down to the gap end. Nice double top rejection. Next target hit. Sheesh. Bounce off this support. By the looks of this, we definitely recovering. The 9 and the 21 EMA.